Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss about that problem of the day. The problem name is composite and prime. So let us discuss about that problem. You have given two integers L and R. So find the difference number of composite and prime between the range L and R and both the inclusive. Both the inclusive means N and L and R will be included. Okay, so let us discuss about that problem. Okay, so you have given this problem statement like this. L is equal to 4 and R is 6. So how many composite and prime number difference between is 1? Why? Because when you will check that, when you will check it that 4, 5 and 6. So how many composite number are in this range? So 4, 5, 6. So 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. Okay, and 4 and 6 is a composite number. So the difference between the prime, so the difference between the composite and prime will be that 2 minus 1, that is 1, that is 1. So this is our answer. Okay, next problem is that when your range is L is equal to 4 and R is equal to 4. So what you will do, you have simply N and L and R is equal to 4. L and R is equal to 4. So there are only one number and 4 is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number and 4 is a composite number. So what is the difference between that composite and prime? So 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So in understand that effective manner, so let us discuss about our final example. Suppose you have given this statement like L is equal to 1 and R is equal to 9. Okay, so you have given this range like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so how many prime number and composite number? Firstly you will count it. Okay, so there are there are you know very well that 2 is a prime number. Okay, 3 is also a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is also a prime number. Okay, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, and 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number, uh, not prime. 1 is not prime number and not composite number, not composite number. So what we will do, we will simply from this range drop from this range, not not composite. I hope you all are understood very well. So how many prime number in this ring? So firstly you will count that prime number: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 prime number in this range. And how many composite number? And how many composite number? Like a 4 is a composite, 6 is a composite, 8 is a composite and 9 is a composite. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, P having a 4, P having a 4 and C having also a 4. C having also a 4, like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So the difference between the composite and prime would be that 0. Why? Because composite and prime 4 minus 4 is equal to that 0. Okay, I hope you all understood that approach. So let us discuss about that coding statement. So so this is the coding statement, like you have a L and R given to you. Firstly, initialize our that a prime and composite equal to 0. Okay, and we will run a for loop. We will simply run a for loop from L to R range. If I is equal to 1, if I is equal to 1, so what we will do, we will simply drop. We will simply drop, and we will simply move to the next value. Okay, so we will simply continue, and else if another number is a prime number, is I is equal to the prime number, so what we will do, we will simply increment our prime number. Else, so it is definitely, if it is not a prime number, so it is a composite number. Okay, and our final answer is that a return composite minus prime. So this is a check for a prime number. So you have a very understood that how to check that you have a square root of n for a time complexity, uh, that you can check. You can also check that like it in this form, I is n, but you have to get that a time complexity error. So in understand effective, so you can get a square root of n. I hope you all are understood that how to check a prime number. So if our value is divided with a 0, so this is not a prime number. If it is not equal to 0, so we will definitely return that it is our a prime number. So this is our code. We will simply run. So you can check that then, like 1 is equal to 1 comma 8 is equal to minus 1, and we will simply run our another test case like 1 and 9. So it is running. So you can simply check that our output and expected output is equal to. So this is the code in a C++, and here is the solution of Java. So you can simply, nothing is to be changes like that. You have simply initialize that our prime and compose is equal to 0, and if I is equal to 1, so we will simply continue. So nothing changed. So you can simply check that it is running very well. That is yeah. So you can check that our output and expected output is equal. So I hope you all are understood very well. If you have any doubt, so please comment, please like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.